Welcome to a world of luxury and rustic elegance, where the timeless charm of a Tuscan villa meets opulent design. Today, we take you on a journey through 5 uniquely styled bedrooms, all inspired by the luxurious and rustic beauty from ancient stone walls to rich wooden beams. Each bedroom is a celebration of both warmth and sophistication. Let's explore these stunning spaces together and bring a touch of Tuscany to your home. Luxurious rustic Tuscan villa bedrooms wouldn't be complete without the quintessential Tuscan farmhouse design. This style celebrates the authentic charm of rural Tuscany, offering a cozy yet refined bedroom experience. Picture yourself in a space adorned with natural stone walls and exposed wooden beams, creating an ambience that's both earthy and elegant. The furniture in this design speaks to the past, with antique wooden pieces that evoke a sense of history and craftsmanship. Rustic, yet undeniably luxurious, this bedroom feels like a serene retreat, designed to help you escape the busyness of modern life. Warm, muted tones dominate the color palette. Think soft beiges, rich browns, and a touch of terracotta, creating a soothing and welcoming atmosphere. Natural textures take center stage here, from rough-hewn stone walls to smooth plaster finishes. These are complemented by linen bedding and wool rugs that enhance the warmth of the room, making it a place to relax and unwind. The integration of raw materials speaks to the traditional Tuscan commitment to craftsmanship in nature. Lighting is kept soft and natural, filtering through large windows that frame the stunning countryside views. As the golden sunlight pours in, it highlights the rustic textures of the room, creating an inviting and serene ambiance that instantly transports you to the rolling hills of Tuscany. The traditional Tuscan farmhouse design is perfect for those who appreciate classic elegance with a touch of rural simplicity. Whether you're looking to create a cozy guest room or a master bedroom oasis, this style offers timeless beauty and a sense of understated luxury. For those who love the rustic charm of Tuscany but desire a more contemporary feel, the modern rustic elegant style is the perfect fusion of old and new. This design seamlessly blends sleek modern finishes with the rugged beauty of natural materials, creating a sophisticated and luxurious bedroom. Clean lines and minimalistic furniture bring a modern twist to this Tuscan-inspired room. The use of smooth wooden textures alongside polished stone creates a refined and airy feel, while maintaining the rustic charm you would expect in a countryside villa. It's the balance of simplicity and richness that defines this space, where each element is thoughtfully curated to evoke elegance. Neutral tones dominate the color palette: soft beiges, creams, and grays, accentuated by warm wood finishes that create depth and warmth. The room feels calm and soothing with just enough contrast to make it visually intriguing. Natural light floods the space, making it bright and open, perfect for showcasing the refined materials used throughout. Textures are crucial in maintaining the rustic charm within this modern framework. Exposed beams and polished stone floors are balanced by plush bedding and soft area rugs that add warmth and comfort to the space. The result is a room that feels luxurious without being overly ornate, an elegant retreat that invites relaxation. Lighting plays an important role in this design, with a combination of natural light during the day and soft ambient lighting in the evening. Statement light fixtures with a rustic edge, such as wrought iron chandeliers, are perfect for adding that touch of Tuscan authenticity to the modern setting. This modern rustic elegance design appeals to those who desire the timeless beauty of a rustic Tuscan villa, but with all the luxuries of contemporary living. It's a style that speaks to the minimalist at heart without sacrificing warmth. If you are looking for a design that exudes grandeur and natural beauty, the opulent stone and timber style is a showstopper. This bedroom design takes the rich textures of Tuscany stone, timber, and aged wood and amplifies them for a luxurious effect. It's a bold, statement-making style that feels like it's carved right from the Tuscan hillsides. Massive stone walls anchor the room, providing both visual weight and rustic authenticity. These are complemented by heavy timber beams overhead, giving the space a sense of history and strength. The natural materials are left raw and untreated, emphasizing their rugged beauty and creating a tactile experience throughout the room. The color palette is inspired by the earth. Warm terracottas, soft beiges, and deep browns make the room feel grounded and connected to nature. Rich wooden furniture, often oversized and intricately detailed, adds a layer of sophistication and opulence, making the room feel like a grand retreat fit for royalty. Lighting in this design is both functional and atmospheric. Soft ambient lighting illuminates the room, while dramatic chandeliers or sconces add a touch of old-world elegance. During the day, natural light filters in through large arched windows, casting shadows on the textured stone walls and highlighting the beauty of the materials. Textures play a starring role here. The roughness of the stone contrasts beautifully with the smoothness of the timber beams and the plush softness of the bedding. Velvet throws, woolen rugs, and leather accents add to the luxurious feel of the room, making it a space that begs to be touched and experienced. The opulent stone and timber bedroom design is for those who appreciate bold, rustic luxury. It's a space where natural materials take center stage, creating a room that feels both powerful and inviting, a true Tuscan masterpiece. The Mediterranean Villa retreat style brings the warmth and brightness of the Mediterranean coast into a luxurious Tuscan bedroom. This design is characterized by light, airy spaces with soft tones and sun-kissed details, making it perfect for those who love a serene, coastal-inspired retreat. Whitewashed walls provide a bright and clean backdrop, allowing other elements in the room to shine. The use of natural materials like stone and wood creates a grounding contrast to the lightness of the walls, making the room feel fresh yet connected to nature. Soft arches and large windows invite in natural light, bathing the room in a warm, golden glow throughout the day. The color palette is inspired by the Mediterranean landscape. Soft beiges, sandy tones, and hints of terracotta bring warmth to the space. Subtle pops of color, such as sky blues or olive greens, can be incorporated through textiles or decorative accents, giving the room a relaxed yet luxurious feel. Textures in this design are key to achieving that Mediterranean charm. Wrought iron bed frames, woven baskets, and light linen curtains add layers of texture without overpowering the room. The focus is on creating a sense of effortless elegance, where every detail feels thoughtful yet relaxed. Lighting is kept soft and natural, with the room's large windows letting in ample sunlight. At night, lanterns and sconces provide warm, ambient lighting that enhances the room's calming atmosphere. It's a space designed to feel like a peaceful escape where you can unwind and recharge. The Mediterranean Villa retreat style is ideal for those who crave a tranquil, sun-filled space with an air of relaxed luxury. It's a style that captures the beauty of the Mediterranean coastline and brings it into your home with grace and sophistication. For a bold yet timeless design, the terracotta and wrought iron accent style blends rustic materials with elegant craftsmanship to create a bedroom that feels both luxurious and down to earth. This style takes inspiration from traditional Tuscan villas, where terracotta floors and wrought iron details are integral to the home's character. The warmth of terracotta is a defining feature of this design. Whether it's through the use of terracotta tiles on the floor or accents in the decor, this rich, earthy material adds an immediate sense of warmth and history to the room, paired with wrought iron details, such as bed frames, chandeliers, or even decorative wall art. The result is a bedroom that feels authentic and beautifully crafted. The color palette here is earthy and grounded, with warm terracotta tones dominating the space. Soft beiges, deep browns, and hints of rusty orange bring depth to the room, while white or cream walls keep the space feeling light and airy. The contrast between the warm terracotta and the cool elegance of wrought iron creates a perfect balance between rustic and refined. Textures in this design are simple yet impactful. The smooth, warm terracotta is complemented by the ruggedness of wrought iron, creating a tactile contrast that defines the room. Plush textiles like linen bedding and wool throws add comfort and softness to balance the more rustic elements. Lighting in a terracotta and wrought iron accents, so the bedroom is soft and warm. Wrought iron light fixtures, such as chandeliers or lanterns, add a touch of elegance, while candles and soft ambient lighting create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Natural light is also essential, with large windows letting in the warmth of the Tuscan sun. This style is perfect for those who love the idea of combining rustic materials with elegant details. The terracotta and wrought iron accent, the Bordeaux offers a timeless, luxurious space that feels both grounded in tradition and effortlessly stylish. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,